Hello everyone, welcome to our video where we are going to jazz up your upstairs hallway without breaking the bank. We all know that first impression matter and your hallway sets the vibe for your entry home. So let's make it cozy and welcoming. Today we are diving into the simple and budget friendly ideas to give your hallway a little makeover. Stick around for some cool tips and tricks that won't burn a hole in your pockets. Whether you are on place or rent, these ideas are for everyone who wants to add a touch of style to their upstairs hallways. Transform your hallway by creating a gallery wall for a personal touch, mix family photos, artwork, and mirror for a diversity look. Arrange them with balance and proper spacing. Consider a mix of size and shapes for visual interest. The beauty of a gallery wall is its versatility. Change photos or artwork easily for a fresh vibe, reflecting your unique style. Plus, it is a budget-friendly way to keep your hallway lovely and always evolving. So grab these frames, unleash your creativity, and turn your hallway into a personalized showcase that tells your story. Good lighting can totally change how your hallway feels. Imagine walking into a warmly light space. It instantly makes you feel cozy and welcome. In our video, we suggest cool lighting like pendant lights, fairy light to make your hallways stylish. The best part, installing them is super easy. It is like a quick magic trick for your home. We also talk about light that save energy and won't hurt your wallet, so you can make your hallways look awesome without worrying about a big electricity bill. Let's brighten up the hallways and make it a place you love to walk through. Easy, stylish, and budget friendly. Mirrors are like hallways magician, making small space look bigger. Choose mirror in different shapes and size to add a touch of style. Try out fun DIY mirror projects to make your hallways uniquely yours. Mirrors are not just for looks, they also bounce around natural light, making your hallways brighter and more inviting. So pick mirrors that fit your style. Get creative with shapes and let the light shine for a hallway that feels spacious and cozy. Transforming your narrow hallways is as easy and reflecting on these mirror ideas. Storage in hallways is crucial for a tidy home. Imagine a hallway here everything has its place. Use space-saving furniture like slim console table or floating shelves to keep things organized without taking up too much room. Baskets or stylish boxes are great for hiding clutters, making your hallway look neat. The key is that storage can be both practical and look good. Choose furniture that not only hold your stuff but add to the hallway's overall style. So when you are picking storage solution, think about how they can help keep our hallway tidy while also making it a placement space to walk through. It is like a double win. Rugs can make your hallway cozy and warm. Try using a rugs runner. They are both stylish and practical. Pick the right size and patterns to match your hallway. You want it to feel just right. Choosing a size that fits the space and a pattern that suits your style is key. Get ready to unleash your creativity. In transforming your hallway, you don't need a big budget or advanced skill. It is all about making it uniquely yours. Your upstairs hallway can go from dual to delightful with simple and affordable ideas. Don't be afraid to experiment with personal touches like family photos, artworks, or mirror. Remember, good lighting can make a huge difference. Try stylish pendant lights or fairy lights. Mirror adds a depth and space while functional storage keep things tidy and cozy. Rug runner complete the looks. Most important, share your own hallway decor ideas in the comments. Let's inspire each the turns or hallway into welcoming space.